In this video, I'll show you how to add a Nintendo Switch controller to your PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips and tricks. Adding a Nintendo Switch controller to your PC lets you enjoy a comfortable gaming experience with a familiar, versatile controller. It's perfect for playing PC games with precise controls and motion support. To connect your Nintendo Switch controller to your PC, start by accessing the Bluetooth settings on your computer. You can find this option in the taskbar, typically located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for the panel that displays system icons such as volume, Wi-Fi, battery level, and Bluetooth. Click on this area to expand the panel and locate the Bluetooth option. Once you've identified the Bluetooth icon, click on it and then select the option labeled More Bluetooth Settings. This action will open the Bluetooth and Devices Settings window, where you can manage device connections. In this window, find the Add Device option, usually marked with a prominent plus icon, and click on it. When the Add a Device dialog box appears, choose the Bluetooth option. Your PC will begin scanning for nearby devices. Wait for the scan to complete, and you'll see a list of available Bluetooth devices. Locate your Nintendo Switch controller in the list and click on it to initiate the pairing process. Once the connection is successful, a confirmation message such as "Your device is ready to go" will appear. This indicates that your Nintendo Switch controller is now connected and ready for use with your PC. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.